Greetings and welcome. This is Psychic Medium Roberto, and I truly hope you are doing well today. Trigger warning: the subject matter is of a mature nature and deals with true crime events. Disclaimer: all cases are treated as alleged until proven in a court of law. So interestingly, the case of Cíntia Goldani, who is a Brazilian bodybuilder, popped up on my dashboard. Her fans are up in arms. She has just recently passed, literally a few days ago, and her fans are screaming foul play. And apparently she was about to enter another big competition. So let's have a look here and see what's going on. Now, I have no idea of background of Cíntia. Very little about the story, only that her boyfriend or partner has said she has passed, right, on June 27. So let's just go into June 27 here. June 27, we see the 27-9, which for me is already problematic. We have a hidden 33-6. This is problematic. So we'll just do an overview. On the day of announcement, we have serious problem numbers here. Murderous numbers. And unfortunately, here's a 15-6, so this would have been a close contact situation. Male. I don't know anything about this person's background. Only that her fans are up in arms. And I do believe she was poisoned. And we'll go deeper. So already on this day, and then the outcome, we have a 14-5. Bullshit. What we know about the story is a lie. So on this day, we've got 4 very problematic numbers here. I'm calling foul play. So 72 hours after the event, and of course the 72 hours after the event does offer us information in terms of what happened here. But in particular, June the 30th will give us a good summary of what has transpired, provided it is the accurate day that she did actually pass, right? So let's have a look here. On the day, we have this 33. Now, we've seen this number too many times during spousal murders, murders of women, or issues against women, is what I'm picking up here. So when I saw this 33 here, something is telling me there's a problem here. Immediately, we also see a murderous number, 36-9. This is no accident, or let me just put it this way. This was not natural. That's what I'm going to say. Not natural. I believe there's evidence of poisoning. So on the 30th, we also see the stack of 8s. Manipulation going on. Manipulation. There's a big plan going on here as well. Big master plan. This was engineered. This was not natural. So even now in the reflection days, we've got a murderous number, 36-9. We've got a 44-8 engineered. 26-8 is a staging number. Which also confirms the 14-5 bullshit. 26-8 can also speak about the poison that destroyed the body. The 6 in that sequence is the poison, which has a detrimental effect on the human body. 8. 17-8, common denominator at a murder scene. And I believe there are higher ups at play. So my issue here is, I mean, I'm not familiar with the bodybuilding world and what's the syndicates and how everyone buys their roids and all that bullshit. But what alarms me is this 33 in the sequence here. So already on the day, 4 alarm bells. On the reflection day, we have 3 alarm bells and a 4th alarm bell. 17-8 is murderous as well. So all of this is murder in my mind. By poisoning. 15-6 as well. 14-5, human interference. Human interference, 4. Close contact, 24-6, by someone familiar. This is close contact by familiar, first periphery, see every day, male, more than likely older male. Now, because of this 33 year on the 30th, I start looking what was going on leading up to this event, because 33 is not a small number. It means lots of people and predominantly female as well. So I believe Cynthia told me to go back to June 23 as a significant day to be investigated here. The day starts out amicable, in other words, 23-5, all about the bodybuilding community. There's some decisions that are being made here, treacherous decisions, 29-11-2. We've got 37-10-1, higher ups at play as well. Heavy transactional numbers. All around, 29-11-2 is unlawful. These are all unlawful situations happening here. And when we get to June 24, we see this hidden 30 here. Now, that can also speak about roids, chemicals, transactional. I'm not saying her, but I'm saying there's an issue going on here. There's outbursts, 22. I'm not making this up. There's a lot of emotions and heavy emotions going on here. 22 outbursts, 11-2, there's uncertainty going on. And we note this hidden 33 that becomes visible on June the 30. So what was being kept suppressed? So whatever has transpired here, there's beef between two people, 25-7. And it's all about taking control of the situation, 39-12-3. And the 3 outcome pings on female energy, feminine energy, beg your pardon. But someone's trying to keep someone under control here. And it's not really working. Unfortunately. So this 26-8, now we note we're seeing this a lot. And of course we are in an 8 year, so we would see it. Now 8 obviously speaks about biology, the human body here. And my concern is that we have this 14-5 here as well, because this is foul play taking place here. Do you know what I mean? If we had a CCTV footage on the scene, as it plays out, we'll see the crime taking place here. And I will even say, yeah, this sequence here is treacherous. On this day, June 26, I would check contaminants, bottles, chemicals in and around the property of this lady. And what do we have here again? 44. So we've got the 37-10-1 clan who are making these treacherous transactional decisions and situations. Here's the 37-10-1 big decision makers. And here are the fathers, the godfathers. Who have this grand master plan. (27-9), yeah, this is not a accidental death. This is premeditated with murderous intentions. So, like I say, I know very little about this person or what the situation is. Based on the energy of her name, and the sequence in which this has taken place, there's definitely foul play going on here without a shadow of a doubt. Known to her inner circle, 24-6, 15-6, could even be, it's definitely male. Even after her passing, let's say she passes between 26-27, right? Look at these big communications going on here. And 34-7, you'll recall, made to look natural death. 34-7, made to look like a natural death. She was poisoned. Poison that brought around asphyxiation. Yeah, 16-7. So the 29-11 that was present and very dominant here on June the 23rd, because I believe Cynthia, I was only going to go to June 24, my usual 3 days before, but she insisted June 23. So we see this 29 deadly transaction deal going on here, reveals its ugly head here in the reflection zone 29-11-2. There's a deal that has gone very wrong here. So I'm going to leave it at that. It's a short reading. For some reason, it popped up on my dashboard yesterday. Literally 2 hours ago, I'm recording this, July the 2nd. It's now 20:09 in the evening. It popped up on my dashboard again. And when I try to skip past it, I was forced to look at the story, so here it is. I call foul on this one. I would say there requires to be a homicide investigation on this side. I would say there needs to be a homicide investigation here. This was not a natural death. Staging 26-8, made to look like natural 34-7. I say foul play on this one. Unfortunately, she has been betrayed by her inner circle, is my opinion. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let me know what your thoughts are. And do engage with those comments. Please hit that like button, hit the share, and I'll see you soon again. Bye for now.